Hello students, today we will study how to measure temperature in thermometer. So, in last video we had studied about clinical thermometer. Today we will study how we will measure the temperature in clinical thermometer. Look at here, this is thermometer, okay, but it's a mercury thermometer which is used in laboratory. In clinical thermometer, we have to first of all clean the thermometer with the antiseptic solution. After cleaning, hold the thermometer properly and bulb where mercury is present, that we have to keep inside the mouth or under arm. Then we have to wait for a second. Then take out that thermometer and slightly move that thermometer to the clockwise or anti-clockwise. When the mercury level raise, we are able to see a shiny dot on that thermometer. So these you can see here, clinical thermometer. Here is zinc and here is mercury. So this is the thread. So when we keep this bulb, always we have to hold the thermometer from this back side, not from this bulb. So we have to hold the thermometer to this back side, and this bulb we have to keep inside the mouth or under arms. So as the temperature measures by thermometer, this mercury level increases, and normal human body temperature is 37 degrees Celsius. So as the temperature increases, the mercury raise up, and we are able to see that mercury with a shiny thread, like a shiny thin silvery thread, like, okay. So we have to move that thermometer slightly clockwise and anti-clockwise, so we are able to see the temperature. Then we have to take out that thermometer and we have to again slightly move the thermometer so that its temperature, mercury, should fall below. When it falls to 35 degrees Celsius or below, we can easily able to measure the temperature. Then precautions which we have to take care while reading a clinical thermometer, that always keep the thermometer in our eye level. Mercury level should be below 35 degrees Celsius. Thermometer should not be held by the bulb while reading the temperature. And thermometer should not be break, because mercury is dangerous, and it should be washed properly with antiseptic solution before and after use. Now the next is laboratory thermometer. So here you can see laboratory thermometer, okay. So this thermometer is mostly used in the labs, big labs. Now see this thermometer properly. So here is bulb, okay, mercury level is filled here, bulb here, then thin narrow stem and it's a narrow tube, okay, capillary and scale are there. Then you can see here the reading start from -10, means laboratory thermometer reading start from -10, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100 and ends to 110 डिग्री सेल्सियस, ओके। ये जो लेबोरेटरी थर्मामीटर होता है उसकी रीडिंग -10 से स्टार्ट होती है और 110 पे ख़त्म होती है. देन द बिगर मार्क्स नॉर्मली रीड एज 1 डिग्री सेल्सियस. अब यहाँ पे जो बिगर मार्क्स होते हैं उसे 1 डिग्री सेल्सियस हम क्या करते हैं, ये जो लाइंस दिख रही है उसे मेजर करते हैं. देन और अगर उसके बीच में आता है तो वो पॉइंट में हम रीड करेंगे. जैसे हियर यू कैन सी द स्मॉल डिविजन्स रीड बाय 1/4, दैट मीन्स 0.2 डिग्री सेल्सियस. सो दीज थर्मामीटर मोस्टली यूज इन द लेबोरेटरी. देखो लेबोरेटरी थर्मामीटर का -10 से शुरू होता है. जो बिगर लाइन है उसे 1 डिग्री सेल्सियस मेजर करते हैं, और उसके बीच में जो है उसे 0.2 मीन्स 1 का 5 डिवीजन करते हैं. देन दिस थर्मामीटर ऑल्सो वी हैव टू carefully handle. Okay, while doing any work in laboratory, we have to handle this thermometer very carefully, and this thermometer can be safely used for measuring temperatures between 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस एंड 100 डिग्री सेल्सियस. अब हम इसे लैब में क्यों यूज़ करते हैं? क्योंकि लैब में जो हमारे पास मटेरियल्स होते हैं उसका टेम्परेचर मेजर करने के लिए, यू नो दैट फ्रीजिंग टेम्परेचर इज 0 डिग्री सेल्सियस and boiling temperature is 100 degrees Celsius. So to measure this temperature, laboratory thermometer is very nice and good quality to measure that temperature. Then difference between clinical and laboratory thermometer. Okay, so the clinical thermometer जो है वो scaled होता है 35 डिग्री से 42 डिग्री, whereas laboratory thermometer scaled at -10 degree Celsius to 110 degree Celsius. Mercury level in clinical thermometer does not fall its own. ठीक है, whereas mercury level fall its own as no ning is present. क्लिनिकल थर्मामीटर में निंक प्रेजेंट होता है, जिसके वजह से क्या होता है, मर्क्यूरी लेवल अपने आप नहीं गिरता है. बट लेबोरेटरी थर्मामीटर में क्या होता है, मर्क्यूरी लेवल अपने आप नीचे आ जाता है. द टेम्परेचर कैन बी रीड आफ्टर रिमूविंग द थर्मामीटर फ्रॉम आर्मपिट और mouth, and temperature is read while keeping the thermometer in the source such as liquid or anything. To lower the mercury level, jerks are given. Here no need to give jerks, automatically mercury level fall down. Clinical thermometer is used to measure the body temperature, and laboratory thermometer is used to measure the temperature in laboratory. Now why we are using the mercury only? Because mercury is a shiny and we can see mercury outside the glass tube. It does not stick to the glass. जो mercury होता है वो shiny होता है, ठीक है, जो ग्लास से हम देख सकते हैं. उसके बाद वो ग्लास को स्टिक नहीं होता है, चिपकता नहीं है, और उसमें जैसे ही हम टेम्परेचर बढ़ाते हैं या टेम्परेचर उसे छूता है वो उस हिसाब से एक्सपांड होना शुरू करता है. सो दैट्स वाई इन थर्मामीटर मोस्टली वी आर यूजिंग द mercury. Now the next is digital thermometer. Now digital thermometer, I think everyone know this is the digital thermometer. We have to keep this bulb, okay, in our mouth or armpit. Automatically this, okay, automatically digital start displaying here. यहाँ जो है डिजिटल डिस्प्ले होना शुरू हो जाता है. ये एक ऑन की बटन होती है. We have to keep it on. We have to keep this either in mouth or armpit. Then after some time it start and the digitals display on that thermometer. इसमें क्या होता है कि जो स्क्रीन होती है कुछ देर बाद इसकी आवाज़ आती है और जो डिजिटल्स मीन्स बॉडी में हमारा जो भी टेम्परेचर होता है उसे वो मेजर करता है और उस स्क्रीन पे डिस्प्ले करता है. सो आई होप यू हैड अंडरस्टूड thermometer. In the next video, we will continue with the transfer of heat. Thank you.